So your car has been working great for years, and then one day you come out to your Toyota or your Lexus and it does this. The battery in your key fob is completely dead. So you go to the bottom, you take out your hidden door lock key, and you unlock the door. Then you get in your car and you either put the keys down, you put it in your pocket, or you have them in your purse. And then as usual, you hit the brake and then you hit the start button, and then this happens. And sometimes the wording will be different and it'll say key not detected. So don't worry, you're not stranded. This is very easy. Just get your key fob out of your pocket or your purse and use it to push the button. And the engine will start right up. It's that simple. So again, push your brake like normal, find your key fob and use it to push the start button. So on all Toyota and Lexus smart key fobs, you'll see a small LED light that will flash every time you push any of the buttons. And if it doesn't flash, you'll know that the battery health is poor. And you may be thinking, why would it even start with a dead key fob battery? And it's because inside of the key fob there's a chip, and when you bring it close to the start button or the ring around the outside, it interacts with the chip and it starts the engine. Well, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, like, subscribe, and hit the bell to get notifications, and we'll see you next time.